Abstract Algebra, the prescript test, a first course in Abstract Algebra, John B. Fraley, 7th edition. In this section, we discuss binary operation, commutative binary operation, and associative binary operation. First, binary operation. Definition. A binary operation star on a set S is a function mapping S crosses into S. One example, consider the set of all integers. Then addition is a function mapping from Z cross Z into Z. Z means set of all integers. An example, if we take two elements from Z, that is 2 and 3, then plus of 2, 3. 2, 3 is an element of ordered pair 2, 3 is an element of Z cross Z. Then plus of 2, 3, that is addition of 2, 3, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5, is again an element of Z. So addition is a binary operation. If we take any two pairs, the sum of that two elements belongs to the same set is Z. So addition is a binary operation. For each ordered pair AB element of S crosses, we will denote the element star of AB of S by A star B. That is plus of 2, 3. We denote that as 2 plus 3. Example, the most familiar binary operations are ordinary addition. Now subtraction and multiplication of integers. Subtraction. End elements 3 and 5. 3 minus 5. That is minus 2. That's also an integer. If we take any two integers and subtract, we get again an integer. So subtraction is the binary operation in set of all integers. Again multiplication. If we take any two integers and multiply that two, we get again an integer. So multiplication is also a binary operation on set of all integers. Next, what about division? Division of integers is not a binary operation on the integers. An example, 2 and 3 are integers, but 2 by 3, that's a fraction, not an integer. Next, commutative binary operation. You already know what we mean by commutative. Commutative means A star B equal to B star A. So commutative binary operation means a binary operation star on a set is commutative if A star B equal to B star A for all AB element of S. That's important, for all AB element of S. So one example for commutative binary operation is addition on set of all integers. That's a commutative binary operation because A plus B equal to B plus A for all AB element of is that. Addition and multiplication are commutative binary operations on this set of all integers. Now subtraction. Subtraction is not a commutative binary operation on this set of all integers since 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, not equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, associative binary operation. Definition. A binary operation star on a set is associative if A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all ABC element of S. Example, addition and multiplication are associative binary operations on the set of all integers. Subtraction is not associative on the set of all integers. Okay.